Um, right. Um, okay. Hello. Um, yeah, this one is my GitHub repository. It's my final project for the Python assignment. Okay, yeah. To start it, we have blackhole.py and the photon.py and the blackhole reflex.py. Firstly, I start with Python. That's what I am planning to start. I was planning to use Python, but there seems to be a problem with 3D rendering. So I got it halfway through and then switch to another engine. Yeah, this is my other projects. I give the link below. And yeah, also the YouTube video should be released on the README files and the final project unit 1 along with the recent one that I have. Yep, should be right here after I release it. I'll release the link there. Okay, cut to the chase. Yep, I'll just demonstrate. Okay, we have blackhole.py. It is the first version that I made, and it was my first attempt simulating a fake black hole. It's not a real black hole though, but it's my first attempt. Okay, yep, let's run it, and then yeah, should be good. Right, yeah. This one is when lights goes this one is when particles goes together into a black hole, and yeah, that's all. It's combining into a accretion disk. That's what I thought I'm doing, and yeah, looks great. I think. Okay, yeah, the second one is the what do we call it? Photon paths. This one is in a closer look of the black hole that I made. So yeah, let's run this one too. And then yeah, this is a photon path. Oh yeah, this thing is a black hole core, and the rest of these are shells, and that's what I'm trying to make. Because yeah, in visions, if we look at straightforward light bends, this is a photon, or we call it a ray light, supposed to bend. Right. The closer we put it, the farther it goes, and the farther it goes, the more closer it should bend. Okay. Yeah. Next part is a black hole reflex, and this part, yeah, seems I did halfway through. Not really done though, even though it seems done, but it's not really done. It's not coming as satisfied as what it is. Yeah, this is how a black hole look like, and this is when objects are inputted. Supposed to go into the accretion disk, but instead it goes on the other way around, actually. Yeah, unexpected. But again, and again, yeah, I also enable object input and some reason it fails to work. But yeah, I stopped this thing because it is slow. So I just figured out that Python 2 cannot handle 3D rendering very well. Yeah, the next part is I am using Unity engine. In this Unity engine, they say that it was a very good engine to make indie game and especially 3D graphics, like what I'm building as a simulator. So yeah, what I'm using is a high-end graphics, but okay, this is my first project that I have, and yeah, um, the first one is not that well built. Yeah. No, this one is just my first attempt of using Unity engine for the first time, and I had no idea what I'm doing. It's just I made it. I just also know that this thing is all right. So we have a different folder for this one. All right. One for shaders. Shader is a we could build our we could customize what is within. So these are sphere, and then we choose the material that we have, which is we could just do these right click create, and then we where's that? There, material, and then they're just going to create you a empty thing until you assign it with shader. So for example, this thing, I use the shader from the one that I scripted in C sharp, and then yeah, it happens like that. And wow, that's how it works. And the only thing that I assign is only the core black hole and the accretion disk. Haven't done the shell much. And yeah, and then the next part is a way how to figure out the lensing work. How does that light bend? Because you see from the first project from my Python that is the refix version. It is not an actual bending. It's just a circle within a circle. So then I was able to find something from a YouTube video. I just realized it, and I just did it recently. Actually, it's yesterday, I think. Was found a tutorial for 2 days, and actually, yeah. So wow, that's how it happens. So it's in Blender. It's a YouTube tutorial. You could find it just by searching it. And yep, these were shell layers, and its function is to it's more like a lens. It's more like you're wearing a glasses. It makes the image behind it bigger, and that's what it is, exactly as the shading does. Okay, so yeah, and to show you, yep, this were the billings layer that I have. He inputted 64 total of them, but it works out perfectly. So what he had is there is the little core here, and there's the shell. So the shell will make sure that what is behind is mirrored ahead. So that's how I will make that happen in Unity. But seems that I have lesser time to build it in my new project, actually. This one is the second attempt of me building a buckle simulator, which is not completely done, unfortunately, because time limitations. But seems that I know where I'm going. So yeah, this is how I am preparing it. Yeah, some more like a straightforward issue. Okay, and that's it.